Have you ever felt a heavy, suffocating tightness in the center of your chest, even when nothing seems physically wrong? You try to take a deep breath. You stretch. You tell yourself to calm down, but the pressure just sits there. That sensation is surprisingly common during stress, anxiety, grief, or emotional overload. And it isn't just in your head. Your nervous system can literally store tension in the muscles around your rib cage and sternum, creating that tight, clenching feeling. In this video, you'll learn a simple rhythmic tapping technique on the sternum that helps signal safety to your nervous system and encourages the body to release that built-up tension. By the end of this session, your chest may feel lighter, more open, and easier to breathe through. When the brain senses stress or emotional threat, it activates the sympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for the classic fight or flight response. Your breathing becomes shallow. The muscles between your ribs tighten. The chest wall subtly contracts. This response is controlled in part by the vagus nerve, a major communication pathway connecting the brain to the heart, lungs, and digestive system. Research in psychophysiology and trauma studies shows that emotional stress can create somatic tension patterns, physical holding patterns in the body that persist even after the stressful moment has passed. One of the most common places this happens is right here in the center of the chest. Many people describe it as a clenched chest, a weight on the sternum, or a pressure that makes breathing feel restricted. Simply resting or trying to relax sometimes doesn't break this loop. The nervous system sometimes needs rhythm and physical input to reset itself. Rhythmic tapping is a technique used in several body-based regulation methods, including somatic therapy, trauma-informed breathing practices, and certain forms of emotional regulation training. There are two main reasons it helps. Slow, repetitive physical stimulation sends signals through mechanoreceptors in the skin and fascia, which communicate safety to the brain. Rhythmic patterns are especially powerful because the brain naturally synchronizes with them. You see this in everyday life. Rocking a baby or gently patting their back, slow, steady drumming, or rhythmic breathing practices. When the chest muscles stay tight for long periods, they reinforce the sensation of anxiety. Gentle tapping introduces micro vibrations into the tissue, helping the body soften those contraction patterns. This area lies close to important nerves and connective tissue involved in breathing and posture. Some people notice immediate signs of nervous system release, such as spontaneous deep breaths, yawning, a sense of warmth in the chest, or a feeling of emotional relief. Let's try it together. You can do this sitting upright or lying down. Relax your shoulders. Let your hands rest gently on your lap. Bring one hand to the center of your chest, directly over the breastbone, not the heart on the left side, just the center of your chest. Using your palm or fingers, begin tapping lightly. Keep it soft, keep it rhythmic, about 2 taps per second. It should feel like a gentle drumming on the chest, not a hard knock. Tap, 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 tap. Keep the rhythm steady. Now bring your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Let the breath move down into the belly, not just the chest. Then exhale slowly through the mouth. Continue tapping as you breathe. Let the rhythm stay calm and consistent. As you continue tapping, notice what begins to shift. You may feel your chest softening, a deeper breath arriving naturally, a subtle emotional wave rising and passing. If a yawn or sigh happens, allow it. Those are common signs that the nervous system is switching from stress mode toward relaxation mode. Sometimes when the chest begins to relax, emotions surface. You might notice sadness, relief, or simply a sense of space opening in the chest. If that happens, just acknowledge it. Emotions often behave like waves. When the body feels safe enough, they rise, peak, and naturally pass. There's no need to force anything. Just keep the rhythm gentle and steady. This technique works best when used regularly, not only during moments of high stress. Many people find this practice helpful at different moments throughout the day. In the morning, it can gently prepare the nervous system and set a calmer tone for the day ahead. After work, it can help release tension that has quietly built up in the body. And before bed, it can help the body settle, making it easier to ease into sleep. Just a few minutes of rhythmic sternum tapping can help interrupt stress loops and ease the feeling of tightness in the chest. Over time, these small resets can help the nervous system become more resilient and better regulated. Take one last slow breath. Notice the center of your chest. Does it feel a little lighter? A little more open? Sometimes the body doesn't need complicated solutions. It just needs the right signal to let go of what it's been holding. And sometimes that signal is simply rhythm, breath, and gentle awareness. If this practice helped you feel even a little more ease in your chest, you can save this video and return to it anytime your body needs a reset. And if you'd like more gentle practices like this, consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss the next one.